It's another freaking storm video. So, right now, there's this thundering, loud sound. And it is raining. You hear that coming down? You'll hear it up there on the thingy. The air conditioner, you hear little plumps coming down on it once the rain starts to come down. I just got out of class, like at 12 something. I got out of art, but it's coming down like the tree. Yes, like the tree, the leaves are like shaking. Like, oh good, the blinds are open.
Don't come out and vote for me. You're not American. Why can't he do that?
It's coming down. You can't tell, but it's like, you hear it? Oh, that's just the trees. I was about to say, it's coming down very hard. Yeah. Whoa. Did you just see that lightning flash?
Just makes you wonder why it can't. Rachel, thank you so much. We appreciate your time. Thanks for coming on. And still ahead for us, the president is building his wall. And
I hope Mr. Whisker's not out there.
Takes us to the border to show us. But first, Chris Jansing is in Ohio, where she's asking the question we know you've been screaming at your TV. These undecided voters, people who say they really don't know who they're going to vote
Wow.
for.
So,
All that undecided.
I don't know if you guys just saw that lightning flash right in my face.
Don't go by the window, because it might get you.
And it flashed, I just saw a big white flash in my face. So I'm gonna come back on this video and do 2 TikToks about it. And then I'll come back on the same day and do YouTube. But do you hear that? See you on part 2. Bah!